Davos, the ski resort town, would normally be buzzing with world business and political leaders, but not this time around because of the COVID-19 pandemic. And so, President Ramaphosa gave a virtual address on behalf of South Africa and the rest of the African continent. He highlighted South Africa's efforts to fight the pandemic and to cushion the poor from the ongoing severe economic meltdown. He then slammed the rich countries for vaccine nationalism, saying such behavior is jeopardizing global efforts to defeat the pandemic.
The rich countries of the world went out and acquired large doses of vaccines from the developers and manufacturers of these vaccines. And some countries have even gone beyond and acquired up to 4 times what their population needs. And that was aimed at hoarding these vaccines. And now this is being done to the exclusion of countries, of other countries in the world that most need this. And it was a great, laudable effort by the World Health Organization to set up the COVAX facility, where it felt that we needed to agglomerate all our acquisition processes so that there can be equity in the distribution and in the access to vaccines. Now, rich countries in the world are holding on to these vaccines, and we are saying, release the excess vaccines that you have ordered and hoarded.
President Ramaphosa also used his address to promote the Africa Free Trade Agreement, which has just come into effect.
This is possibly the most important initiative that the African continent has embarked upon. Our forebears, our founders, wanted Africa to act together, to be integrated, and it has taken us some time to arrive at that. And integration means much more when it affects the economic lives of the countries of the continent. We're a market of 1.2 billion people, and it's a growing market as seen by everyone around the world. It's a youthful market, and it's a market of people who want to go forward and grow their economies and grow their countries.
The president echoed the theme of this year's conference, which is the Great Reset, by saying the unprecedented crisis of the COVID-19 pandemic provides South Africa and the world the opportunity to build a new economy that will be more just, more inclusive, and more sustainable. Mbongeni Mocho, SABC News, Johannesburg.